Hello everyone, welcome back to Tweak and Style by Mimi. If you want to make your dress look more flattering on you, then you are at the right spot. Today, I am going to style this old dress using some tricks and tweaks to make it look more flattering and stylish. Without further ado, let's begin. So this is a printed button-down dress which I bought from H&M. It is an A-line dress which has full sleeves, collars, and it has a belt that is made of the same material. Underneath the dress, I am wearing nude tights and I'm pairing it with black loafers. First of all, I am replacing nude tights with black ones. Immediately you can see the difference. Nude tights paired with black loafers visually cut my legs at an awkward position with two horizontal lines. Whereas, on the other hand, black tights seamlessly blend with loafers and creates a lengthening effect. Now the next trick is to open the collar button to show some neck area. This helps to elongate the neck. Now we are going to remove this belt and replace it with a black thicker belt, which will help to accentuate the waist area. Next, we are going to pull up the sleeves to show some skin. Now I recently learned a new trick to pull up the sleeves with buttons. Sometimes it is difficult to pull them up to our desired length. I am going to share this trick with you guys. For this, you need a bobby pin and an elastic rubber band. Pass the bobby pin through the rubber band like so. Now loop one end of the rubber band on the button. Then pass the other end through the buttonhole with the help of bobby pin. And loop it again on the button. Remove the bobby pin. Voila! Now we have stretchable arm sleeve. You can pull it up at any length you desire. Next step is to use some accessories. I am going to wear these gold and silver bracelet. For earrings, I am going to use these beautiful green flower earrings which can pull up the green color from the dress. Now I'm also going to open some buttons at the bottom so that I can move freely, and also it creates a slit in the front which looks more modern and stylish. I feel like I should swap the loafers with the knee-high boots. The knee-high boots look better than the loafer, but the thick sole of these boots make my overall look bottom heavy. So now I am swapping these boots with high-heeled thin-soled boots. You can see the difference side by side. Boots with thick soles do not go well with the overall slender vibe of the dress. They look chunky and heavy, whereas the other side, pointed toe boots, makes the legs look thin and slender. And here's the final look. I have picked up a black bag to coordinate with boots and belt, but you can always use any colored bag to add a pop of color and take your outfit to a next level. Now you can see for yourself how simple tricks and tweaks can make a boring outfit look more put together and stylish. I hope I have inspired you to restyle your old clothes and apply these tips to make them look more flattering. That's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye, stay stylish.